Myntri Rangbah Kajala Konrad Ke Sangma Lengba Kafama Collective V Session for Upscaling Production and Marketing System Focus Men Hakakatsantrek Mentau Benai Naiwing Royo Ban Samsung jingïarap Lengba Kacek Shaki kynhun jeng nongrep Kibahap Apo Nongstoiñ Bot Motional Block Hakajelang Kabalapan Long Bishop Hall Nongstoiñ Hakani Si Ledon Langru Uamili ke Nongstoiñ Konsensi Uba Max Melan Bersat UDC in charge ka West Kasils PD Sangma Ki Officer na Kitra Pair Ki Nongrep Bat Kiwi Nakaliang Myntri Rangbah Habakaran Hakajelang Ulapan bak sarkar jela ke donnya ka thong ba khmat nak benta ban kentiu ki nongrep ka jela ulapun syairu halo ka fokus program dak boong bakani ka project ka bahe du nak benta ki nongrep ha ka jela bat lengba kani ka program ka sarkar ka khmilinti banang kentiu susu ya ka yo kot bat ka rukom im ki nongrep ha ka jela ha ka te ka si nak liang Myntri Rangbah layo ban ya phliu jumut ru bat ki nongrep bat ulakula ru bat simkhia halo ka jingye ki baki kendu ha ka bai dei bat karep karyang
Kentiu na snow sangriang riu ko haja ya boilang na snow sangriang samsan haja ya kentiu na nongwai sampo haja jorjong na nongwai sampo haja ya monlang.
The society as a whole has suffered. And obviously, the people, the general public who are dependent on their day-to-day activity for their livelihood have suffered the most. So as a government, we felt that we need to do something for this section of society. And 75% of them are producers and more importantly, farmers. We have calculated that approximately 4.5 lakh families are there who are in one way or the other linked to the agriculture sector and the allied sectors. And hence, we decided that we must give some financial support, a welfare scheme for the farmers. But at the same time, we felt that if we give the money directly to individual farmers, we may not be able to achieve productive growth in the particular activity that they do. And therefore, we decided that we will give 5,000 rupees per farmer family, but it will be in the form of groups. Money will be put in the account of the groups. That while the government spends a large amount on government employees, on contractors, because development activity takes place, somehow the farmers are never benefited directly. So we have seen that thousands of crores are gone when we pay teachers, when we pay contractors, when we pay government employees. But direct funding to farmers has never been done. And that is why out of the 14 to 15,000 crores that the Meghalaya government spends every year, we felt that 200 crores to the farmers, 4.5 lakh families is nothing. It's a small amount compared to the large expenditure of 15,000 crores we have every year. And the number of families that we can touch is huge.